Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Thursday, 2nd May 2024. Today we'll trade long Aussie, Euro and Pound and short the US, the Swiss and the Yen. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Dollar index, well, after big news coming out on Wednesday, we had FOMC meeting last night. We had bullish news and then bearish news on the dollar, and this is the end result. Right, broke through the flag pattern high, then it reversed, and that's a bad news for the bulls. Definitely it's a failed flag pattern. Well, not completely failed, but about to fail. So we're still in the sideways range. I was happy when I saw the breakout, but now it fell back into the sideways range. So for now, we just have to sit and wait. Our short-term indicator on dollar still very weak now after the weekend news coming out. Finally yesterday, and then the FOMC meeting delaying a bit, reducing interest rates. So yeah, dollar weaker on the short-term side, or rather on the intraday side. Short-term still bullish, medium long-term still bullish. Everything is bullish over the longer periods, but on intraday charts, definitely dollar looks very, very weak. Now the weak dollar helped gold yesterday to push up, but the problem still comes in the trend is bearish, and we sit with this flag pattern. It couldn't even retest the flag. That's a lot of weakness. That's actually a lot of weakness. All right, it was structure there, to be fair. There is structure. Now on a weak dollar, it still falls. That shows people are now panicking a bit on gold on the short-term side. So let's see what happens. But at this stage, if this falls back down through these lows here, if I mark the lows there, if we go through that, I mean, 2200 is the next stop, most likely. So we could see another $100 drop. But that's not what I'm saying it will do. It's just, it's a great potential. I would not short gold easily. Personally, I don't do it at all. But yeah, it's a tough one at this stage, gold. All right, so Bitcoin completely failing out. Also missed that pattern retest, and look at the big drop. Okay, we are testing now this flag pattern bottom. It did close below it, but I won't say that's a big issue. But today, tomorrow, I think, because if we're going to get a small candle here today and maybe a big long white one tomorrow, meaning that we're seeing sort of a morning star, even if today, if it can be a long white candle, it would be great. That would be a confirmation for the bulls. But at this stage, it doesn't look that great. So no rush in buying, nothing. Trend is still bearish, the short-term trend. So you can see we just wait for this to play out. You see this on the left-hand side here. How long was the bear trend? There's every now and then a little pump, and then it fell, a little pump. You will get your time to get in. The only reason you have to get in is because you've got nothing. If you've got Bitcoins, there's no need in buying here. There's no need. Just wait for the setups. So for now, I'm holding on tight to what I've got on Bitcoin. I just sit and I will see. Once that turns blue, I'll get really interested. I won't short Bitcoin, but I'm looking for the bullish signals, not that I'm desperate to buy. But I'm keeping a close eye on this. In the pound US, we see the pound in the green zone, the dollar in the red zone. So pound US is a good pair, big swing. Retracement back here, that'll be interested. We do see a sort of a triangle coming in here now also, right? So if I draw it like this, you can see there's a triangle coming in, and the break, the retest, and a counter reversal. Not that I'm after the triangle, it's just confirming sort of structure. So if I get a break, the retest, and then a counter reversal, that shows me that the bulls have confirmed it. But pound in the green zone, so I am after the long there. So let's see. Other than that, the retracement. If it now fails, the pattern fails, we will get back down to the 50 to 61%, this low here. Nice structure coming in there. You can see a lot of support in the past. So let's see. So we've got, I like these type of trades where I do have a retracement trade option and I have a breakout trade option. So pound US is definitely on my watch list for today. Aussie Swiss, Aussie all the sparkle. Swiss was actually this morning down at the lowest spot, and I thought to myself, can the Swiss actually be weaker than the yen? All right, just one bar later and it's bouncing up again. All right, but Aussie Swiss, I'm looking at the 50 and the 61% level, structure there, there, and there. So I'm keen on this. I just need a retest here. Once I get a retest, I'll look for candle reversals, then I'll take some longs. In the Aussie New Zealand. Aussie, again, all the sparkle, New Zealand neutral. So I'm after the Aussie long. So if it retraces on this last directional swing back to 61% FIB, we can see here resistance, support, just missed it, but also support indication. I would like to see if I can get a retracement there. Maybe tomorrow, if it doesn't pull back far enough, we can use that level. I'll see tomorrow morning. But for now, I'm fixated on the 61% and I will look for some long patterns there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In the pound CAD. Pound, all the sparkle, definitely, not say all the sparkle, but just below, it's pushing for that Aussie, definitely. But CAD neutral, so I'm after the pound long. So very nice bottom reversal. Now, nice wave one into a new trend here. Retest nicely at support. You can see a big level here. Resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance, support. So if it gets there, well, let's see how the market responds. If it's a nice bullish response, I'll then take some longs. Then on the Euro CAD, also the retracement needed. Euro there, CAD, neutral. They're getting a bit close to each other, but for now I'm keeping it on my list. You can see sort of a brand new trend starting, a little bit all over the place, sideways in general. This could be a brand new, let me just show you the bigger picture here. And that's why I do think we might break this whole sideways range. You can see this big consolidation, and then we had the break, and now we're basically after the retest. So it looks like I want to trade a sideways range, but I'm not in fact. I'm in fact looking at a channel break. It broke on the 1, 2, 3 on the fourth attempt, which is normal. The retest now would be something that I would really be interested. So let's hope that the Euro CAD would be in my favor by the time it gets down there. Then my favorite trade idea for today is along on the Euro US. Euro green zone, US red zone with a weakness subtly kicking in everywhere. If you look at the US yen, the US Swiss, just look at the US Swiss here. I was actually planning on taking potential trade here, but never got a reversal. Look at the dollar weakness coming in there. So we should see some Euro strength coming in, hopefully. So a little bit of a flag pattern, of a consolidation pattern, and the break would confirm a renewed bearish strength, for that matter, on the dollar, and taking the Euro US long would give me the short on the dollar. So it's just as the consolidation since last week we need to get rid of, but a little bit of a sell-off here, tested 1, 2, 3 times. So usually a little bit of a sell-off, I love it. And then the break, it means because if it breaks now, you need to have stops down here. But if it can have a small retracement here, and then it rallies up, then having a breakout trade is good, because we've got a tight stop loss. We can trade a decent position. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.